How's it going, everybody? About a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I was looking at some products, doing research, and I was looking at some MTV products. I was looking at, can't remember, a couple of other major brands, and I noticed this tag, Amazon Merch on Demand. I was looking at my products. I didn't see this tag on any of them, and about, I would say, two days ago, I started going through my products, especially all the auto uploads, and every single one had this new tag. So now I might be out of the loop. Maybe you guys, some of you, might have a lot on this. I'm kind of curious if anybody actually knows, if you know when this was actually implemented, when and what the reason was. But if you're not familiar with this, let's just look at what it is. So now when you go to your Merch by Amazon products, you'll be able to see the Amazon Merch on Demand tag. And if you click on it, this is what you get. So the tag reads, Amazon Merch on Demand offers graphic tees, hoodies, apparel, and accessories from a vast selection of popular brands and independent content creators. To reduce waste, each design is printed when you place your order. Our products have reviews averaging 4 stars and include free Prime shipping and returns, which pretty much summarizes what merch is, Merch by Amazon. But now, as you can see, Amazon is actually labeling our products and letting the customers know that that's what it is. It's no longer, for example, a mystery to customers, what's going on if it's like a little small shop printing these and shipping them out. Now it's clear that it's Amazon Merch on Demand, and no matter what the brand is, the customers still know. So in my opinion, I can't see this as being a bad thing, especially for Prime members who are, regular users, and even when I shop on Amazon myself, most of the time I hit the Prime switch just to make sure that I'm actually getting fast shipping, free shipping, because I am a Prime member. So I think this will be actually very helpful. Maybe some other people will argue differently. I'm actually curious. So number one, I was not aware a long time ago that this would be happening. I actually didn't even know until a few days ago that they were going to be adding this to our products. Now, I went on Merch Informer and I pulled up, some of the top selling products for each category just to see if it's actually on all the products. And so far, as of today, it looks like it's on all the clothing items. So as you can see here, a t-shirt, here it is on a v-neck, and these are just random like top selling products that I found, like I said, through Merch Informer. Here's a tank top again, and I'm going with products that have a bunch of ratings, some that don't, and you'll see. But again, you can see this tag on all the clothing items, even with bad reviews, as long as, again, it is a clothing item. So even a sweatshirt, a hoodie, a long sleeve shirt. But when you get to tote bags and pop sockets and phone cases, it's still not there. And I don't know if they actually will ever put it on, but for now, all the clothing items have that. So again, my opinion is this is most likely good for us. Like I've made a comment in the past where, I trust in Amazon. I mean, these guys know what they're doing, but I also have to be, I guess, cautiously optimistic in knowing that they're going to do what's best for them. And, they're the ones that are making most of the money, of course, as always. But I think in this case, because of, I guess, that greed and, their desire to make money, it might work in our favor. because of course we're collecting royalties as well. So I don't know. I don't know why this was done. If it was just like a strategic plan that they had in the works. Of course, they did for a while, but I'm just wondering if any of you guys have any more information. If you do, let us know. Let me know in the comments, and then anybody who has anything to add to this discussion, I would love to hear about it. That's it for now. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.